आई नो आप सभी एस्पिरेंट्स ये विश करते हो कि अगर आप MBA ऑप्ट भी कर रहे हो अपने करियर में तो वो आप एक टॉप 20 स्कूल से करो, बट देयर इज जस्ट वन थिंग जो आपको शायद पीछे लेके चल सकती है टुवर्ड्स योर ड्रीम, एंड दैट्स योर पास्ट एकेडमिक्स। काफी बार ऐसा होता है दैट एस्पिरेंट्स क्लियर कर लेते हैं अपना एंट्रेंस विद अ ग्रेट परसेंटाइल, बट देन ड्यू टू देयर बैड एकेडमिक्स वो अपनी ड्रीम कॉलेज कन्वर्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं। एंड हेंस टुडे इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना बी डिस्कसिंग some of the top B schools जो आप target कर सकते हो even if you have a low academic profile, and with this we'll also discuss the selection criteria that these B schools use and accordingly what's the average and the highest package that you are gonna land on. Make sure आप ये वीडियो end तक देखें because this video is gonna be very useful for you. एंड अगर ये आपका बहुत मेजर कंसर्न है कि आपके एकेड्स अच्छे नहीं है, यू डोंट हैव अ गुड परसेंटेज इन योर 10th और 12th और योर ग्रेजुएशन, डू नॉट वरी. द लिस्ट ऑफ B schools that I'm gonna be sharing today is gonna be very helpful for you and accordingly you would have a fair idea कि आपको कौन से एग्जाम्स अटेम्प्ट करने चाहिए in order to target these B schools. So do not miss out on any part of this video. Before diving into the list of top B schools, एक बार हम MBA एडमिशन प्रोसेस एंड सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया समझते हैं. सो अलग अलग B schools के अलग अलग क्राइटेरियाज होते हैं विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस एंड देयर एडमिशंस, एंड हेंस एक एक करके तीनों ही स्टेप्स हम देखते हैं. द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज क्वालिफाइंग योर MBA एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. ऑब्वियसली आप सारे ही एस्पिरेंट्स मल्टीपल एग्जाम्स के लिए अपियर करोगे. देयर इज CAT, NMAT, SNAP, ZAT. There are so many other 8 to 9 management exams जिनके लिए आप सब अपियर करते हो. Obviously, in order to target top B school, आपको अच्छे परसेंटाइल से you'll have to crack these exams first. Secondly, it's profile evaluation. So once you are done with these exams, अगर आप ये exams crack कर लेते हो with a great score and a great percentile, आपका ये score with your profile is taken into consideration. Now आपके प्रोफाइल में यहाँ पे this is one step जहाँ पे आपकी पूरी प्रोफाइल evaluate होती है. With your score, आपके past acads, your work experience, diversity, caste, ये सारी ही चीजें are taken into consideration and then a score is listed accordingly. And then finally एक score derive होता है इसमें. अलग अलग colleges के अलग अलग weightage होते हैं on these points. So accordingly totally depends कि आप कौन से B schools target कर रहे हो, because all of these B schools would have different targets, would have different weights on all of these different points. Finally, it's GD, PI and VAT. Now, after your profile is evaluated, suppose it's a good profile and आपको interview के लिए calls आने होंगे. So the final step is कि आप finally अपने group discussions and PI and VAT के लिए बैठते हो. Now, after PI, आपके final scores फिर से change होते हैं because again, वहाँ पे PI के कुछ points add on हो जाते हैं. तो सारा ही कंप्यूटेशन देन चेंजेस टू अ होल न्यू डिफरेंट कंप्यूटेशन. तो ये पूरा ही सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस का कंप्यूटेशन कंप्लीटली चेंज हो जाता है. सो ये 3 स्टेप्स थे जो सारे ही B schools कंसिडर करते हैं अंडर देयर एडमिशन एंड सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली योर फाइनल स्कोर इज डिराइव्ड आफ्टर ऑल दीज प्रोसेसेस आर डन. लेट अस नाउ डाइव इनटू द लिस्ट ऑफ टॉप B schools दैट यू कैन टारगेट विथ लो एकेडमिक्स. फर्स्ट इज Xavier School of Management and that's XLRI Jamshedpur. XLRI Jamshedpur is a top B school in India. Its HR program is considered to be one of the best all over Asia. Being a stellar B school in India, XLRI also tops the list of B schools जो आप target कर सकते हो with low academics. You will have to appear for ZAT in order to target XLRI. If I talk about some of the recruiters जो आपको XLRI में दिखेंगे, BCG, Bain and Company, Accenture, Amazon, Paytm, Aditya Birla Group, HSBC and so many other great companies आपको दिखेंगे under the recruitment for XLRI Jamshedpur. If I talk about the fees and packages that these offer, for a 2-year MBA course in XLRI, the fees is around 27 lakhs. The average package that XLRI offers is around 32.7 lakhs per annum and the highest package would go up to 70 lakhs per annum. फाइनली XLRI का सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं. XLRI आपके ZAT स्कोर का वेटेज रखता है ऑफ अबाउट 60%. फॉर योर GD एंड PI द वेटेज इज अराउंड 25% एंड फॉर योर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, एकेडमिक प्रोफाइल, GK, डाइवर्सिटी पॉइंट्स एटसेट्रा इट्स जस्ट 15%. सो यू सी XLRI इंडिविजुअली वेटेज नहीं रखता है ऑन योर एकेडमिक प्रोफाइल. आपका पूरा ही प्रोफाइल दैट मीन्स your WorkX, your academic profile, plus the scores of your GK is collectively taken into consideration with its weightage just being 15%. Next up is FMS. Faculty of Management Studies, Delhi, also known as the Red Building of Dreams, is one of the top B schools offering the best ROI in India. This B school also tops the list of colleges that you can target which has very low fees and provides with high placement statistics. If I talk about the top recruiters under FMS, American Express, Axis Bank, Hindustan Unilever, HCL, EY and so many other great companies आपको यहाँ पे दिखेंगे under the recruitment for FMS Delhi. Talking about the fees and packages that FMS offers, the fees for a 2-year MBA degree in FMS is just 2 lakhs. The average package that FMS offers is around 35 lakhs per annum. And the highest package would go up to 65 lakhs per annum. You'll have to appear for CAT in order to target FMS. एंड हेंस एक बार FMS का सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस हम देख लेते हैं. FMS आपके कैट के स्कोर का वेटेज रखता है ऑफ अबाउट 50%. फॉर योर 10th स्कोर इट्स 10%. 12th स्कोर के लिए इट्स 10%. फॉर इट्स स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस इट्स 10%. FMS अपने सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस में एक्सटेम्पो भी कराता है, द वेटेज ऑफ विच इज जस्ट 5%. एंड फाइनली आपके PI का वेटेज इज अराउंड 15%. यू विल सी ग्रेजुएशन स्कोर का कोई वेटेज नहीं है यहाँ पे. And for your 10th and 12th score, it's 10% respectively. Next up is MDI. Management Development Institute Gurgaon is a top B school जो आप target कर सकते हो with low academics. The alumni network of MDI is one of the largest with around 9,000 alumni members working in 45 countries globally. It is also one of the oldest B schools in India. Talking about the recruiters for MDI Gurgaon, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, Barclays, Amazon, McKinsey & Company and many other great companies are some of the top recruiters under MDI Gurgaon. Talking about the fees and packages that MDI offers, the fees for a 2-year MBA course is around 26 lakhs. The average package that MDI offers is around 27.6 lakhs per annum. And the highest package would go up to 60 lakhs per annum. एक बार MDI का selection process देखते हैं. Again, in order to target MDI, you'll have to appear for CAT. यहाँ पे CAT के स्कोर का वेटेज इज 55%. For your 10th, 12th work experience and diversity, the weightage is 15% collectively. And for your GD and PI, the weightage is 30%. Again, you can see collectively MDI आपके 10th, 12th and WorkX and diversity points consider करता है with its weightage being the lowest and that's 15%. Next up, it's IIFT. The Indian Institute of Foreign Trade is again one of the top B school which again comes under the list of colleges जो आप target कर सकते हो with low academics. IIFT is known for its flagship program of MBA in International Business in India. There are total 3 campuses of IIFT. It's IIFT Delhi, IIFT Kolkata and IIFT Kakinada. अभी तक IIFT अपना own एग्जाम कराता था, but for this year IIFT आपके CAT का scores accept करेगा and hence the selection process might significantly change. If I talk about the top recruiters under IIFT, that's McKinsey & Company, JP Morgan, EY, Infosys and many other great companies जो आपको recruitment में दिखेंगी under IIFT. If I talk about the fees and packages that IIFT offers, the fees for a 2-year MBA course is 22 lakhs and the average package that IIFT offers is around 29 lakhs per annum and the highest package would go up to 65 lakhs per annum. Let us see the selection process that IIFT would use. CAT के score का weightage would be around 73%. 10th score का weightage would be 10%. For your 12th score, it's gonna be 10%. For your academic diversity, that means if you're an engineer or non-engineer, उसका weightage would be around 5%. And for your gender diversity, it's gonna be 2%. Again, you can see graduation scores यहाँ पे नहीं consider होते हैं, but this selection process, the criteria might significantly change as इस साल से IIFT आपके CAT का score accept करेगा. Finally, it's SIBM Pune. Symbiosis Institute of Business Management is one of the 15 sister institutes affiliated to Symbiosis International University and is consistently recognized as one of the best MBA programs in the country. Again, SIBM is the topmost college that you can target by appearing for SNAP exam. This institute is also renowned for its industry connections, for its rigorous curriculum, and for its excellent placement opportunities. If I talk about the top recruiters under SIBM Pune, there's Accenture, Aditya Birla Group, Capgemini, Bharti Airtel, HDFC, and many other great companies आपको दिखेंगे यहाँ पे under recruitment for SIBM Pune. If I talk about the fees and packages that SIBM Pune offers, its fees for a 2-year MBA course is around 25 lakhs. The average package that SIBM Pune offers is 26 lakhs per annum and the highest package goes up to 35 lakhs per annum. Let us see the selection process that SIBM Pune uses for its final selection of students. Accordingly, there is no such weightage of academics in their selection criteria, but you might expect some questions in your PI. So SIBM आपके SNAP के score का weightage रखता है of about 50%. फॉर योर PI द वेटेज इज 30%. आपके ग्रुप एक्सरसाइज का वेटेज होगा ऑफ अबाउट 10% एंड आपके वैट का वेटेज होगा 10%. सो यू डू सी ये पूरे ही सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया में आपके एकेडमिक्स पे कोई वेटेज नहीं है, बट बी प्रिपेयर्ड कि आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस डेफिनेटली मिलेंगे अंडर योर PI इफ यू हैव लो एकेडमिक्स, विच माइट बी वेरी इजी टू जस्टिफाई फॉर यू एंड हेंस आप अपना सिलेक्शन काफी हद तक इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. फर्दर देर आर सो मेनी अदर B schools एज वेल जिनको आप टारगेट कर सकते हो इफ यू हैव लो एकेडमिक्स, जिसकी लिस्ट आप सामने देख सकते हो. सो फाइनली दीज वर द लिस्ट ऑफ टॉप B schools जो आप टारगेट कर सकते हो अगर आपके लो एकेडमिक्स हैं. प्रेफरेबल ये है कि आप अपनी प्रेपरेशन को इस चक्कर में ना छोड़ें. देर आर लिमिटेड डेज left for all the management exams, that's CAT and NMAT and SNAP and so many other management exams जो आपके आने वाले हैं in the upcoming months, and hence prepare well for all of these management entrances. Remember, जितना efficiently and जितना effectively आप prepare करोगे उतने ही better results आपको मिलेंगे. Does not matter आपकी ACADS कम है या आपकी profile is not good. For more such informative videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram. All the very best and see you soon.